Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am back with another update about the bus. So first things first, I want to talk about California registration one more time. It finally got approved, so I'm just waiting on my paperwork. And registering a bus, an old bus like that in California, is actually not as hard as I thought it would be and not as expensive. So everything is done. You just have to submit proof of motorhome thing to California Air Resource Board, which is called CARB, and then they approve it, and then they send it to DMV, and then DMV approves your registration, and then blah blah blah. Anyways, super easy and very cheap. So if you're in California and trying to register a school bus, yeah, you can, let me know in the comments, and then I can do like a full on video about that. Now let's move on to the actual bus construction update, because I actually got a lot done in the last 2 days. Sorry for the mess, but I removed the ceiling. Yay! I found a little leak over there. So it is very important to actually remove all those pieces to get a bus, because you never know if you have a leak or not, and I found quite a few. Very minor. I just have to patch it up, but I'm glad I did that, because otherwise the mold would start growing. I did the walls. Look at all of those. So those metal panels that were there, I had to cut them off. I tried to pull them out, but they're like under the windows, so I did have to cut them off. I didn't do the back part because of the AC, so that's my problem. I cannot remove the back piece over here because of this AC. I could potentially remove the AC to remove the panel, but I'm still deciding if I want to keep it or not. I need to test it and make sure it works. And if I do keep it, it only works if the bus is running. So do I really need it? I don't know. Yeah, so I'm not sure if I'm gonna keep it or not. I'm still deciding. And then once I remove that, I can remove all of these paneling and kind of go back there. This one I didn't remove because some of the screws are stripped, so I have to grind them off. I'm just running out of time today. I didn't really touch the floor because I was too busy doing the walls and the ceiling, but it's coming along. It's very messy, but it is coming along. I also removed this panel over here, and then I found another leak. So they kept the lights, they just painted them on the outside, but you can see the light coming through. So insulation in here was wet from the rain, so I'm glad I did that. Removed all of that, removed the stereo. Here's the light. It's coming along. It is definitely coming along. I still need to figure out my dashboard light, that it went out, so when I drive at night I cannot see how fast I'm going or anything. In order for me to change the light, I think I have to remove the entire panel, which I really don't want to do, but at some point I'll have to do it. So I also haven't fixed my windshield wiper yet, so if anybody knows how to fix that, let me know. I found the fuses for it, so I'm gonna try the fuses first. If that doesn't work, it's probably loose wire, and then I need to figure out where the wires go and where they come from and all that stuff. I'm not looking forward to it. And then here's all the wiring for the back. I need to figure out which wire is which. Some of those wires are for this old speakers and stuff, but I really need to go for all the wiring. I'm gonna dedicate one day to all the electrical stuff at some point soon, but first I'm gonna finish the flooring. I really want to take it off, make sure the wood underneath this thing is not rotted, take the steps off, clean them all out, and then go from there. These are some of the pieces that I took out today. All the roofing and stuff I got rid of this morning because I did it yesterday, but yeah, now I have to figure out what to do with all of that stuff again. And yeah, it's really coming along. It's messy, but it is coming along. I'm actually kind of proud of myself for being able to do all of that. I also want to tint the windows more, but that's later down the line. But what a mess. What a mess. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. Here's my update. Once again, I will post another update next week once I do more work, and then hopefully by next week I'll be done with the full tear down so I can actually start building. That's the plan. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate you guys, and if you have any suggestion, ideas, please let me know in the comments below. Anything helps, and I will see you guys next time. Mwah.